Ever wondered how clean your airplane seat really is? The shocking truth is, most airplanes don't get a deep clean between flights. Instead, they're given a quick trash pickup and surface wipe before the next passengers board. That tray table you're using, it might not have been cleaned properly in hours, or even longer. High-touch surfaces like armrests, seatbelt buckles, and overhead controls are often overlooked, making airplanes a breeding ground for germs. Here's the scary part. Germs like E. coli and Staphylococcus can easily linger on these surfaces. With passengers boarding every few hours, bacteria and viruses can build up fast. To make matters worse, the air circulation system can spread those germs throughout the cabin, increasing the risk of getting sick. While air filters in planes are high-tech, they can't stop every germ from reaching you. You might think airlines are stepping up their game, and they are, but not as much as you'd hope. Many airlines have improved cleaning protocols, especially since the pandemic, but time constraints limit how thorough they can be. Most flights only have a 30-minute turnaround, leaving little room for deep sanitization. It's like expecting a full house cleaning in the time it takes to make a bed. So how can you protect yourself in such a germy environment? The answer is surprisingly simple. Take matters into your own hands. Pack sanitizing wipes and disinfect high-touch areas like your seat, tray table, and armrests as soon as you board. Avoid placing food or personal items directly on surfaces and wash your hands frequently. A little effort can go a long way in avoiding unwanted germs. Despite the germ concerns, it's worth appreciating the marvel of air travel. Think about it. You're flying thousands of feet above the ground in a machine that weighs hundreds of tons. The engineering and technology that make this possible are extraordinary. So while the cabin might not be spotless, the sheer ability to cross continents in hours is still mind-blowing. At the end of the day, air travel is about balance. Enjoy the journey, but stay cautious. Understanding how planes are cleaned helps you take the right precautions without letting fear ruin your experience. Keep those sanitizing wipes handy, but don't forget to look out the window and appreciate the miracle of flight. After all, staying safe and awestruck is the best way to travel. Thanks for tuning in. Now you know the truth about airplane cleanliness. Stay safe, keep exploring, and always carry those sanitizing wipes. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more eye-opening content. Safe travels,